this is the last day I've got my camera. It's been on loan for about a year from a friend and he wants it back, so I'm trying to desperately scramble to get a quick picking video in this week before the camera goes back. So I'm having a mad moment. I can't pick anything else, so let's see if I can get this best. Came with two keys, two different keys. One's got like bizarre. Fuck. Yeah, you see the difference with those, obviously. Now, I would have thought the normal looking key would have been the key to open the lock. But no, that does that. That pulls out the barrel, which I find highly scary. I'm not a... Oh no, what have I done? There we go, sorry about that, fucking about. It's this weird key that does the opening. So I'll attempt to do it in my holding device, of which I will show you at the end, if I can get through. I'm just going to have to fluke this, because I've not picked it at all. I've not even really been practicing on it. I don't even know how to tension it yet. Not like that, I don't think. What about one of these? Yeah, okay, we'll try that. Let's see if we can just fluke it. Just fluke it. Bit of bitch picking. I don't care. I need to manipulate the pins to get the lock to open. And I'm not worried about binding orders or things like that. I don't know if I've got any chance of fluking this. I've never had one of these bests before. No idea what they're... it's possible. I think it's got 7 pins. I think I shoved some kind of thing in it the other week. Is that... Can't really tell what's going on in there at the moment. Yeah, and I'm sure it's got 7 pins. I'd better make sure. No false sets appearing. So is that just a load of well machined standard pins, or is there a secret in here that I'm not ready for, worthy of? It's a bit of a shit angle, isn't it? Get my lightsaber, zzz, check it out. Yes, I'm just, it's a desperate attempt to try and get something open on camera before the bloody camera disappears. What I'm going to do for videos after this video, I don't know. Let me try a straight diamond. I don't know if I'm getting anywhere at all, to be honest with you. I think that barrel looks like it's moved around a little bit. I didn't particularly feel anything, although that's often the case with these well machined locks, well made ones. Oh! Wow, look at that. I don't believe it. The best popped by pure chance, I will confess. Wow. That I wasn't expecting, but I am happy because, like I say, I think this will be the last video using this camera, and I don't know when I'm going to get hold of another one. I don't know how long's left on the video. I'll close it up again. I just want to double check that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you heard the last one at the end there, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't really hear the last two. Anyway, cheers, Bill. That was a luck pick, if ever I've seen one. And there's the best. Best what? Don't know. Don't say. But I don't want the video to be too long. So cheers for watching, guys. I'll see you when I've got another camera. Don't know when that's going to be. Hopefully soon. Cheers.